Proper humidity is very important in producing a great matboard. Too much humidity, or too little, can cause unwanted warping or curling in your matboard. In this video, we will explore why this happens and what Peterboro is doing to tackle the problem head-on. Matboards are made up of multiple layers of paper, and these layers are extremely susceptible to moisture. Like a sponge, they tend to soak up or release moisture with seasonal humidity changes, as well as in the manufacturing process. During the production process, Peterboro uses this dryer, built in the early 1900s, to remove moisture that was accumulated from the glue in the lamination process. Over the last few years, the dryer has been retrofitted with a state-of-the-art computer system which heats and monitors each one of these 12 steam-filled drums to a specific temperature. Since cream core, alpha fiber, and cotton all naturally absorb different moisture levels, the computerized drying system has been programmed with unique recipes to accommodate what is being made. Alpha fiber may need less moisture removed, so a lower temperature is required for drying. Cotton fiber, on the other hand, requires more heat since it naturally absorbs more moisture. Since the boards cannot be shocked with too much heat at once, some programs will gradually heat the board as it travels around each drum, allowing for the perfect board humidity. If a matboard curls up at the edges, it is too dry for its surroundings. If a matboard gets waves in it like a roller coaster, there's too much moisture in the board and it must be removed. If there are slow changes in humidity over time, the board can acclimate at a slower rate and remain flat, adjusting to the changing climate. On the contrary, if there is a dramatic spike or drop in humidity, the boards will warp or curl, making them difficult or impossible to use. To help maintain a reputation of having the flattest matboards on the market, Peterboro has installed a state-of-the-art humidity control system. A computerized hygrometer takes continuous readings of the humidity levels in the warehouse and, in real time, sends that information to another computer which activates our humidity system. In the drier seasons, if the humidity is too low, the computer will trigger a misting system. This system adds humidity to the warehouse so that the boards can acclimate to an optimal set humidity. In the summer months, when the humidity gets too high, we take humidity out of the circulating air. This system ensures that every board leaves the Peterboro facility perfectly flat. Have you had issues with warping matboard? Not to worry. To keep your matboards flat, we recommend storing them in a temperature-controlled room where humidity changes are less likely to affect your matboards. The board should acclimate slowly over time, and warped board should return to their original state. For more information, visit our website at peterboromatboards.com.